Hello everybody. Today I saw a poor bird. He was in hurt. So I got food for him and water. I even made a tent for him last time. Come with me as I feed the bird.